Dear students, in this video I will explain you some definitions under section 2. It includes assessee, assessment, assessment year, previous year, and income. First of all, I will explain you assessee under section 2, subsection 7. What is assessee? Assessee means a person by whom any tax or any other sum of money is payable under this act. It means that the person who pay the tax as per the Income Tax Act, the person is called as assessee. Suppose I earn 5 lakh in previous year. I will pay tax. In this case, I am assessee. Next, assessment. What is assessment? Assessment is the process of determining the tax payable by an assessee. Suppose Mr. X earned income in previous year. The process of determining taxable income, whether he will pay tax or not, how much tax he will pay, this process is called as assessment. Next, assessment year under section 2, subsection 9. Assessment year means a period of 12 months commencing from first day of April every year. Previous year income is assessed in assessment year. For example, the assessment year 2020-21 commences on 1st April 2020 and ends on 31st March 2021. Current assessment year is 2020-2021. In assessment year 2020-21, previous year 2019-20's income is assessed. Next, previous year under section 231. The financial year immediately preceding the assessment year shall be the previous year. For example, for assessment year 2020-21, the previous year is 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. Suppose, in case of newly set up business, the previous year will begin from the date of setting up or coming into existence of the new business is to be considered as starting of previous year. Suppose a new business set up on 15th November 2019 and started business on 1st December 2019. In this case, previous year is commenced on 15th November and ends on 31st March 2020. Next definition, income under section 224. This is general definition. The term income means the periodical monetary return coming in with some sort of regularity or expected regularity from definite source. This is general definition of income. It includes, these are the some examples given here: profits and gains, dividend, voluntary contribution received by charitable trust, the value of perquisite, profit in lieu of salary. These are the some examples of income. Thank you.